Do you wake up every morning feeling like your schedule controls you and there's no room for what truly matters? Imagine ending your workday with the satisfaction of having given your all and still arriving home with the energy to enjoy your family, your passions, and your well-being. Today marks the beginning of a challenge that will transform your daily life. In today's world, balancing work and personal life has become an essential challenge. You're not just seeking productivity, you also want fulfillment in your private life. Long hours, endless notifications, and the pressure to hit targets can lead to mental exhaustion and take a toll on your health, your relationships, and your happiness. Maybe you've caught yourself missing family events, feeling stressed by an overflowing inbox, or sacrificing rest to get ahead on tasks. The key is to adopt a practical time and energy management system that lets you prioritize what matters, set clear boundaries, and build high-impact habits. Discover how small daily adjustments can lead to profound changes in your quality of life. Ready for real change? Subscribe now and watch the video to transform your life. To kick off this transformation, take a close look at how you invest your time and energy. The first step is acknowledging that your attention span and willpower are limited. Practice mapping out your day by noting every 15 minutes block, meetings, emails, operational tasks, and breaks. By visualizing this time map, you'll uncover where the productivity thieves hide. Next, implement the time blocking technique. Carve out 90-minute slots for your most critical tasks, free from interruptions and notifications. During each slot, devote your full concentration to what matters most, the activity that delivers the greatest impact on your professional and personal goals. Once a block is complete, swap it for a brief rest, a mindful walk, some stretching exercises, or 5 minutes of meditation. This recharges your energy and sharpens your focus for the next phase. Also, define disconnection rituals at the end of your workday. You might draw a hard line, say, closing your laptop at 6:30 p.m., followed by a ritual like making tea, reading a chapter of a book, or practicing deep breathing. This symbolic act signals to your mind that your personal time has begun, free from work burdens. Another pillar is communicating boundaries with your team and family. By clearly stating your availability hours and non-negotiable personal times, you prevent untimely interruptions and foster mutual respect. If something urgent comes up, your system allows you to reschedule without guilt, because you've built a robust framework that values both your results and your well-being. With these immediate actions, you not only optimize your productivity, but also reclaim precious hours to dedicate to what matters most. Picture closing your workday feeling fulfilled, ready to savor every moment with calm and purpose. You've begun structuring your time, but you may still feel something holding you back. Obstacles arise with full force. The deceptive multitasking. You think you're getting ahead by doing 1,000 things at once, but you end up scattered and with unfinished tasks. Guilt over disconnecting. Every time you close your laptop, you feel an internal pressure, as if you're not performing enough. External expectations. Clients, bosses, or even your family expect you to be available at all times, invading your personal space. I understand your frustration. That constant ping of notifications robs you of calm, and the line between work and personal life blurs until it disappears. You feel trapped in a stress cycle that drains your creativity, your health, and your relationships. But there's a light at the end of the tunnel. Acknowledging these challenges is the first step toward overcoming them. By naming each obstacle, you reclaim power. Multitasking becomes a challenge to conquer. Guilt transforms into a signal of where you need to reinforce your boundaries, and external expectations become bridges for negotiating clear agreements. Now let's dive into practical strategies to navigate these obstacles and build sustainable balance. Eliminate multitasking with single tasking. Define one critical task per 90 minutes block. When it's complete, take an active break walk, hydrate, breathe mindfully. You'll notice that deep work brings you more speed and satisfaction than splitting your attention. Reprogram guilt into self-compassion. Whenever guilt arises, remind yourself, I'm working efficiently and I deserve my personal time. Use brief affirmations. My rest makes me more productive. Keep a work-life gratitude journal noting every daily achievement, big or small. Negotiate boundaries with assertive communication. Send your team an email outlining your work hours and daily off-duty times. Offer alternatives. If something urgent arises outside these hours, please contact me 24 hours in advance. Positively reinforce when your space is respected. Implement transition rituals. Design a symbolic closing. It could be a short walk, an inspiring song, or writing your intention for the evening. These rituals mark the end of the professional day and the start of your personal time. Lean on your accountability tribe. Share your challenge with a friend, colleague, or family member. Each week, review achievements and necessary adjustments together. If this content is motivating you, comment below, subscribe now, and keep growing with Potentium. The decisive moment has arrived. I present to you the 3-2-1 rule of balance, a simple system that holds the big idea capable of transforming your day-to-day life. 3 deep work blocks, 3 90-minute segments dedicated to your most important tasks. During these blocks, your concentration is unbeatable because you've silenced distractions and informed those around you that you are off duty until they finish. 2. Disconnection rituals. 2 mindful breaks each day, one at midday and one at the close of your workday. They can be a 10 minutes walk, breathing exercises, or a screen-free coffee. These rituals recharge your energy and keep you focused for the hours that follow. 1 weekly commitment. A 30 minutes weekly review with your accountability tribe, whether a mentor, colleague, or friend, where you share achievements, lessons learned, and necessary adjustments. This commitment fuels your motivation and ensures you stay on course. This formula concentrates the essentials: peak productivity hours, regenerative breaks, and an accountability system that cements your change. At this point, you understand it's not magic, but applying a clear, proven framework that balances your self-care with your professional ambitions. Let's recap what we've learned. Time analysis allowed you to visualize your productivity thieves. Time blocking and single tasking in 90 minutes blocks maximized your focus. Disconnection rituals marked the end of work and the start of your personal time. Assertive communication of boundaries established mutual respect with your team and family. The 3-2-1 rule unified all elements into an easy-to-follow system. With these tools, balance ceases to be an impossible dream and becomes a process of conscious choices. You've designed a method that honors your energy, boosts your results, and gives you time for what truly matters: your projects, your passions, and your relationships. Now you walk confidently along the tightrope of professional success without losing sight of the solid ground of your personal well-being. The transformation you've begun can be maintained and grow day by day. If this video woke something up in you, don't keep it to yourself. Like it, share it, subscribe, because someone out there needs to hear this.